Mm. Mm-hmm. So good.
You like it?
That crunchiness on the outside,
Yeah.
and then you get the texture inside.
Yeah, the chewiness.
It's so I love this.
Yeah?
I freaking love this.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's not too spicy.
No. Thank you for liking it.
Thank you for making it.
What? So they don't stick together. You know? So it's time for the sauce now.
Is it?
Yeah.